troublemaker. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Woo! Okay, listen here, Mike. You know what I like about being flexible? I can swing my legs high.
That would help. It's good to know that way too, Andy.
Ooh, what did I smack myself on?
Are you okay?
Oh, now I gotta get used to the other side. That was fun!
That was terrifying. Same as it was for you when you went in, probably.
Well, the problem was you were right here and you were coming on to it.
Yeah, that
That's why I
freaking
wanted to pull you up. So
yeah.
The last thing you want to be is between this and a rock.
Yeah.
Well, the problem is when you're on that rock, coming off is a straight drop, you know?
I was like, I don't even know how we would have, yeah, no. Oh, I got that on video.
Oh my God.